फ्रेशर्स के चेहरे की जो मुस्कान है,
फ्रेशर्स के चेहरे की जो मुस्कान है,
वही तो हमारे महफिल की शान है। गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन।
रुक ज्यादा फॉर्मल नहीं हो क्या? इट्स फ्रेशर्स पार्टी, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट अगेन।
नमस्कार, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल, केम छो, मजा में टू ऑल प्रेजेंटिंग हियर।
आई एम वंशिका अग्रवाल।
आई वंशिका अरोड़ा। लॉल, कुछ ज्यादा फॉर्मल सा नहीं हो गया?
अरोड़ा जी,
अग्रवाल जी,
sounds much better. Well, Arora ji, by the sound of their shouts, we can definitely conclude that this morning isn't so good yet.
But don't worry, Agarwal ji. It's not going only to be good. It's going to be the best. Am I right, freshers? आवाज नहीं आई? और जोर से. How's the Josh? How's the Josh? How's the Josh?
Okay, let's check and have a competition of hooting between the seniors and the freshers. Okay, on the count of 3, seniors will hoot. 1, 2, 3. मजा नहीं आया seniors, come on. Seniors, come on.
Breakfast नहीं किया क्या?
मुझे लग रहा है यहाँ पे ना थोड़ा सा कम खा कर आए हैं सब. Seniors hoot. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now juniors on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
भैया सीनियर्स की नाक कटवा दी. The secret to modeling is not being perfect. What one needs is a face that people can identify in a second.
It doesn't matter if you are a model or not. Confidence is something that comes from inside.
With this, let's start with a modeling round.
Before starting, let me aware you with the rules and the procedure to be followed to avoid unnecessary future misunderstandings. There will be 3 rounds. Round 1 will be of ram walk, round 2 will be of talent round, and round 3 will be a question and answer round. So, let's start round 1. I would like to invite all the glamorous girls and the handsome guys on the stage for ram walk round.
Shubhanshi, Naina, Shallavi, Siya, Rimpa, Roshni, Tripti, Palak, Madhurima and Anandita.
What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. Ay, what you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. I'm like, yeah, that's true. I believe she keep me dumb. I'ma play it for fun. Y'all don't need on my mental. Let me give you a picture like steps falling out. Drought, no flow rain was pouring down. See that thing was all around. See my mode was kinda lounge. Didn't know which way to the turns. It was cool, but I still felt burned. Energy up, you gon' feel my surge. I'ma kill everything like this purge. Step this straight for a second. I'ma work. Even if I don't get paid for progression, I'ma get it. Everything that I do is electric. I'ma keep it in motion, keep it moving like kinetic. Put this shit in a frame, but I know I don't blame everything that I say. Man, I seen you deflate. Let me elevate. Send a prank. Have you walking on a plane? Both hands together, God, let me pray. I been going right around, call that relay. When a piece of this, a piece of mama, piece of son, piece of piece of between the lines, my piece of mama, what you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. Ay, what you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. She say, yeah, I'm cool. I'm like, yeah, that's true. I believe in G.O.D. Don't believe in G.H.O.T. She keep me dumb. I'ma play it for fun. Y'all don't really know my mental. Let me give you the picture like steps. I'm falling out. Drought, no flow rain was pouring down. See that thing was all around. See my mode was kinda lounge. Didn't know which way to take the turn. Flow was cool, but I still felt burned. Energy up, you gon' feel my surge. I'ma kill everything like this purge.
faded gravity, melting away. Dissolve and weightless.
I think it's smart. Everybody's screaming. Screaming, blow your mind. I think it's smart.
Girls, you have to introduce yourself, and that introduction should be less than 1 minute. Okay, let's start with number 1.
Welcome back to you. With these words, hello everyone, I am contestant number 1. My name is Shubhanshi Garg. I belong to Hathras, a small city in Uttar Pradesh, which is basically famous because it's the birthplace of poet Kaka Hathrasi. I consider myself as an extrovert and I love to make friends. Also, I love to read, I love to dance and just be happy. Thank you.
A very cheerful morning to one and all. Now you all have your eyes on Naina Rastogi, a girl from Bareilly. I would love to dance. A very cheerful morning to one and all. Now you all have your eyes on Naina Rastogi, a girl from Bareilly. I have completed my BBA from Invertis University, Bareilly. Proceeding further, I would love to tell you I am an animal lover and I would love to set this stage on fire with my talent of dance. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Shallavi Srivastava, a girl whose people say my height and voice matches with the Rani Mukherjee. I come for the very long distance to pursue this course for completing my dreams and make my parents proud. I am from Patna, Bihar and I am so foodie and I love to eat litti chokha. The all Biharis love a lot. And my education is I had done BCom from Magad University and I'm pursuing from MBA from this college. Thank you.
अर्ज किया है, जरा गौर फरमाइएगा. शुक्रिया. अर्ज किया है, अंधेरों में जलती मशाल हूँ मैं. अंधेरों में जलती मशाल हूँ मैं, तुम कभी नहीं समझोगे वो सवाल हूँ मैं. दिस इज सिया श्रीवास्तव और हम आते हैं नवाबों के शहर लखनऊ से. I have done my graduation in BBA from Lucknow University and I have achieved several awards in different fields including district level dance competition winner. I believe I'm a person who loves to spread positivity and happiness around. अब अपनी तारीफ में और क्या कहें. शुक्रिया.
मेरे वजूद का एहसास मुझे उस दिन हुआ, मेरे वजूद का एहसास मुझे उस दिन हुआ जिस दिन दर्पण में मैंने मेरी माँ को देखा. नमस्कार आप सभी को, मेरा नाम है रिम्पा, मैं दिल्ली की रहने वाली हूँ. पूरी मॉडर्न होकर भी मैं रोज़ दिया जलाती हूँ, मैं रोज़ दिया जलाती हूँ. थोड़ी सी झल्ली हूँ मैं, अक्सर सबको सताती हूँ. अभिव्यक्ति मेरे हर्ष की जो शब्दों में ना हो सकेगी बयां, उसे अपनी कविता से झलकाना चाहती हूँ. लव यू ऑल, थैंक यू फॉर हियर.
Hello. So first of all, good afternoon, I guess. Good afternoon, everybody. And my throat is not that much. I hope you are. I'm audible. So hi, my name is Roshni Mehra, and I belong to the Valley of Flower, Uttarakhand, Dehradun. And second of all, I have completed my graduation and BSc IT, and after that, I came here. I was a little bit nervous. Just give me 1 second, right? Trust me, if I'm not that much good, you guys were so supportive. Thank you so much. So I have done my graduation. After that, this college approached me. I was like, let's go. Delhi is calling me. And I have done my graduation in Dehradun. After that, talking about my hobbies, I learned German language recently. So if I want to, I have to introduce myself in German, so I use Hola, ich bin ein Roshni. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Tripti Bhatt. I am from Uttarakhand, also known as Dev Bhumi. I am very intrigued about knowing human minds, so I have done my majors in psychology from Amity University. I am a very optimistic and enthusiastic person, as far as my hobbies is dancing and modeling. And I think life is way too short for regret, so I live the fullest. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Come on, make some noise, guys. Hi, I am Palak Kathuria. I am from a very decent city. Buddy, father am tumhare. That's Meerut. I have completed my graduation from CCS University, Meerut. I am an explorer and a foodie. Thank you so much.
Hello. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Madhurima Srivastav. I am from the city of Nawabs, that is Lucknow. I have pursued my undergrad in a bachelor's in commerce from Lucknow University itself, and I'm currently pursuing my master's in business administration from Jaipur Institute of Management. Apart from academics, I am very much into social activist. I am a lifestyle blogger. I've been working as a blogger since 5 years now. You can find me under the name The Fashion Curve if you want to. And I also am a founder of an NGO, that's a youth-based NGO in Lucknow, and we're trying to bring it over in Ghaziabad itself. And yeah, that was it about me. Over to Anandita.
हेलो एवरीबॉडी, हमारा नाम अनिंदिता सामंतो, हम बंगाल से हैं. I have completed my engineering from Bengal University and currently pursuing MBA from Jaipur Institute of Management. Well, apart from all this, I want to tell you that there's a small business I do. That is, since I love baking, I bake some cakes in the month of December, especially during Christmas, and I give it to all the people who want it. That's all I want to say about myself. Thank you.
Lucy.
specialization in Android and web-based computing. Along with that, I was Mr. Dude of the batch, and thank you so much, and a distinguished student of the batch as well. Right now, I'm just learning one thing from my life. It's not over until it's over, because I've seen several situations where it's about to over. Now, over to you, token number 2, sir.
Hello everyone, my name is Amanjit Singh Rajput. I am from Bihar. I'm a smart, intelligent type of person. I'm an extraordinary guy with some extraordinary skills. At last, I want to say something for me. कि मैं राही नहीं, राह बनना चाहता हूँ. कि मैं राही नहीं, राह बनना चाहता हूँ. अपने पिता का शाह हूँ, यहाँ का बादशाह बनना चाहता हूँ. Thank you.
I am Siddhant Chaudhary. I am from Ghaziabad. Yes, Zila Ghaziabad. I completed my graduation from Ghaziabad, ITS Mohan Nagar. I am computer master. I am a dreamer, and I run also a small business. I am entrepreneur as well. I am dealing in wristwatches. I am a dreamer because I believe dreams can be achievable. Thank you.
Your energy introduce you before even you speak. Good morning one and all. My name is Prateek Kaushik. I am from UP Bulandshahr, the city famous for its Navratri celebrations. I have completed my graduation from CCS University Meerut, and creativity is in my blood. कुछ बुरा करने का मन करे तो उसे कल पे टालो, और कुछ अच्छा करने का मन करे तो आज ही कर डालो. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Prince. First of all, I would like to thank all the teachers and all the coordinators for giving me this beautiful opportunity to be in front of all you beautiful peoples. And since I'm here, I would like to clarify one thing, that I am belong from UK Uttarakhand, Devbhoomi, not from UK United Kingdom. I mean, Indian people can also have cool style, right? And apart from doing MBA, I'm also a music composer. Last year during pandemic, I released a few songs of mine, and they got more than 1 lakh streams on Spotify alone. They went viral in 65 countries worldwide. But today I would like to do something different. I'm not going to play any music for you guys. I'm thinking about doing something else, like dancing, because I have never done dancing in my life before. So yeah, because I think we all get one life and we should always try to do new things whenever we get the opportunity. So I hope you all like my dance, and thank you.
Hello everyone. I am contestant number 6. My name is Rishabh Tyagi. I am from Ghaziabad itself, which is also known as Gateway of Uttar Pradesh, and completed my graduation from ITS Mohan Nagar. Apart from that, I am a green belt in Taekwondo and a district level cricket player. In short, I can define myself as a person with mind and muscle. Thank you everyone.
नमस्कार सभी को. राम राम भाई. अपने बारे में कुछ बताना है यहाँ, अपना परिचय करके दिखाना है यहाँ. वैसे इंसान का परिचय उसके स्वभाव से होता है, पर फिर भी कुछ बताना है तो मैं इस तरह से बताऊंगा. मेरा नाम है शुभम त्यागी, रहता इस धरती पे हूँ. जगह का नाम है जिला गाजियाबाद, पढ़ा भी यहीं से हूँ. और सबसे पीछे बैठने वाला आज सबसे आगे आके अपने बारे में बता रहा है.
ये मैंने यहाँ आके सीखा है। खेलने कूदने की उम्र में कुछ शौक भी रखते हैं, पर जिंदगी की सच्चाई को अच्छा खासा समझते हैं। बस एक खासियत है मेरी, ज़्यादा कुछ और नहीं, रिश्तों की अहमियत पता है मुझे, और दोस्ती आसमानों की मंजिल है मेरी। और आखिरी में यही कहूँगा, खत्म हो गया इंट्रोडक्शन मेरा।
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Athar Vatri. I grew up in Yamunanagar, the city that is famous for sugar mill and silver utensils. I am a BTech Computer Science graduate from MM University, Ambala. And I am into dancing, and currently I started doing yoga as well. And everyone must be following a few rules in their life. So I would be letting you know one of the rules that I follow in my life, that is, no one can take away your pain, so don't let anyone take away your happiness. Thank you everyone, that's all about me.
राम राम जी सारा ने, हमारा नाम है विकास दलाल और हम आया कर उड़े थे जिते सारे टाइम हरियाली होया कर, वो है हमारा हरियाणा, ठीक है। और हमने अपनी ग्रेजुएशन करी है सरकारी कॉलेज से, और मेरी उपलब्धियां है, मैं एक एनसीसी कैडेट हूं और एक स्टेट लेवल बास्केटबॉल प्लेयर हूं। थैंक यू।
हेलो हेलो माइक चेक। इतने शोर में कहीं चुप ना हो जाऊं, इतने लोगों के बीच कहीं गुम ना हो जाऊं, इसलिए कुछ अलग करके आगे बढ़ लेता हूं। और फिर भी अगर थोड़ा डर लगे तो माउंटेन ड्यू पी लेता हूं। Hello everyone, my name is Prakhar Mishra. I belong to NCR only. I am a basketball player and I have done my graduation from Delhi University. I have achieved a gold medal in a national level basketball tournament that is held in Haryana only. And that's all about me. Thank you.
दिलकश लगे ये जलवा, मैं कश लगे ये जलवा, नशा ही नशा ये जलवा, मजा ही मजा, नशा ही नशा। Throw it up, throw it up. जलवा आग सी रवानियाँ लेती गए अंगड़ाइयाँ, ये जला दे दिलों में चिंगारियाँ। ये जलवा फैशन का है, ये जलवा फैशन का है, ये जलवा फैशन का है, ये जलवा। She got the styling in her. Not even smiling in her. She got the styling in her.
Feel the rhythm is in the air. Shake it alone, yeah. Keep swinging and start dancing around.
है अदा का नजराना, हर जुबा को अफसाना, हर किसी पे छा जाना। हो ये जलवा कर दे सबको मस्ताना, हर जमाना दीवाना, दिन में दौरे दिखलाना। ये जलवा और किसी रवानियों लेती गई अंगड़ाइयाँ, ये जला दे दिलों में चिंगारियाँ। ये जलवा
Now let's call our glamorous coordinators on the line.
भी नहीं ये जलवा, मकसद भी नहीं ये जलवा। Tell them like it is. I can't see. दिलकश लगे ये जलवा, मैं कश लगे ये जलवा, नशा ही नशा ये जलवा, मजा ही मजा, नशा ही नशा। Throw it up, throw it up. जलवा आग सी रवानियाँ लेती गए अंगड़ाइयाँ, ये जला दे दिलों में जलवा फैशन का है ये जलवा, ये जलवा, ये जलवा फैशन का है ये जलवा, ये जलवा, ये जलवा फैशन का है ये जलवा, ये जलवा, ये जलवा फैशन का है ये जलवा. She got the styling in her. Not even smiling in her. She got the styling in her.
Come, come